So this is IntoMobile at CES 2010, and we are in, what is it? It's the Ford Taurus Show 2010?
Yeah, 2010 Taurus Show with EcoBoost.
Cool. And this is Joe with Ford. Hello, Joe.
Hi there.
So you guys had an announcement about mobile APIs and how they're plugging into the Ford Sync system. Can you walk us through that?
Absolutely. So what I'm going to show you here today is Pandora integrated with the vehicle. Now Pandora is running here on the Motorola Droid, and you can see it's connected to the vehicle through Bluetooth, and this is what the interface looks like when it's connected to the vehicle. This is what we call the lockout screen. This prevents you from trying to work with the application on the phone itself, which would distract you from driving. So we'll go ahead and set this down. We can control the application using the buttons on the center stack, the buttons on the steering wheel, and voice commands. So we'll start off by bringing Pandora into focus by choosing Mobile Applications, then Pandora. And you can see the song and artist information of the currently playing song is brought up. I'll go ahead and turn it up so we can hear her. And we can change the station on Pandora just like we can on AM/FM radio by using these presets along the top. So I'll go ahead and press one.
Tuning to station electric feel radio.
We can also change station using a voice command. So we'll press the push to talk button here.
Pandora, please say a command.
Play station Owl City Radio.
Tuning to station Owl City radio.
And as you can see, we get a visual and an audio confirmation, so we can know that things are working correctly without even having to take our eyes off the road, even for a split second.
Cool.
Now, many of the other buttons are mapped to functions in Pandora in a logical way. We can play, or we can pause and then resume the stream by pressing the play pause button here. We can also skip to the next track using the seek forward button here on the steering wheel. You can say it's skipping on here. It'll take a second or two for it to start streaming the new song. There are also some features of Pandora that can't be logically mapped to buttons in the vehicle, but that's okay.
Like favorites, right?
Yeah, favorites, or thumbs up or thumbs down, or bookmark songs. But fortunately, we can access all that through voice commands. So we'll go ahead and give this song a thumbs up.
Pandora, please say a command.
Thumbs up. And that will encourage Pandora to play music similar to this on this station in the future. We can also bookmark this current song or artist, which will allow us to buy it later on Amazon or iTunes when we log into Pandora through a web browser. So we'll go ahead and access that command using the menu here. I press menu, and then I can scroll through all the available commands and choose bookmark song.
Cool. Okay, so from a developer perspective, what do they have to do in order to get connected into Sync?
So what we do is we provide documentation and example code to the developers that they can use to integrate their application. And when we did the work with Pandora, we gave them this software development kit, and they were able to turn around all of the major features of Pandora in 10 days.
Wow.
So it's really a very easy to use kit and very fast development process.
Cool. So aside from Pandora, are there other applications that are already using this?
Right now, we're working with a few trusted partners that include Pandora, Stitcher, which is a talk radio service, and then also OpenBeak, which is a Twitter client for BlackBerry. And so those are the trusted partners we're working with right now, and we're exploring how to grow our developer community, both by expanding the number of trusted partners we're working with and exploring how to open this up to the public in the future. So there's more to come on that in the coming year.
Very cool. So when will these APIs become available?
That's part of what we're fleshing out right now. Right now, this feature is not available in any vehicles that are being sold today. However, it will be available in the 2011 Ford Edge, the 2011 Lincoln MKX, and also the 2012 Ford Focus. And those vehicles will in fact include the My Ford Touch, which is an enhanced interface including a touchscreen on the center stack and LCDs.
A little snazzier than this, huh?
Yeah. But the mobile app connectivity does work with the 2010 version of Sync, the older hardware.
Right.
And so that's set for release later this year, but we don't have a specific date when the SDK will be made available to the public or when this will actually be delivered to customers.
Okay, cool. Well, that's the new Ford Sync APIs for mobile applications. Thanks a lot, Joe.
Yeah, thanks so much.